I wanted to make this video basically to share with you my thoughts on Azure. Long story short, Azure is garbage. I've been using it for the past year and I've been having a lot of issues with them. I came from AWS cloud that is mostly stable, and the support that they give is very, very good, let's say. Now using Azure, I've been finding myself in situations where the support is not the ideal one when it comes to a situation where you have problems and you have to, let's say, report some issue and ask for help with certain problems that you might encounter on your cloud. I've been finding that the support that they give is not the ideal one, mainly because the control that the first line support has and the information that the first line guy has on their side, it's very minimal. It's almost like the same level of information that you have on your side. So they will constantly talk about or provide information, the wrong information. They will constantly say that they don't have the right logs, and that if you, let's say, have a resource that for some reason is not working properly and you don't have logs on your side, they will also say that on their side they don't have the information and that they can't reproduce, let's say, the problem, and you'll find yourself like stuck. The thing that I've been, let's say, that I've been finding helpful is to right away ask for an expert's help, because usually they have the context that the first line guy doesn't have. But for that to happen, for you to escalate the problem, you will have to deal with the first line guy. In the meantime, you have a production problem that you need to work with, and you need to work fast because you have clients that you need, clients that have problems, and they will start complaining or even unsubscribe to your services. That is one of the things that I find helpful. And I would like to share that to you, that sometimes Azure doesn't work properly, and the resources that they provide, the services that they provide, they are always unstable. Storage accounts always with some degree of unavailability, resources with some that are busy all the time. So just to summarize, if you need to work with Azure, you'll have to deal with that. You'll have to deal with the lack of performance on the infrastructure part and also on the support part. You'll have to handle that, and you have to find ways to work around certain situations that you wouldn't normally have to if you were using AWS. In the other end, if you are not using Azure and you are indecisive about which cloud to use, please don't use Azure. So that's the take. Don't use Azure unless it's absolutely necessary. You'll live longer and more happy if you use other clouds, mainly AWS. I hope this somehow helps you, and see you on the next video.